Welcome back. Another quick one tonight. It's another 3D print. If like me, you've got a fair few carbide insert tools. I've got turning tools, parting tools, threading tools. Um, the inserts for them start piling up, and I wanted to come up with a slightly better way of organising them, making them easier to see what I've got. So I designed something. Now, this is partly a bit of an exercise in how good is the 3D printer so I've got a modular system with 5 positions with dovetail on each side. So that's the one that's just been printed. These are 2 that I printed previously. They're both PLA, but obviously they've been printed in different colours and at different times, and these 2 fitted together really nicely. Really nicely fitting dovetails. The question is, how well will the red ones fit into the blue ones? It's a bit more snug. So that's a very good fit. I think taking those apart will be interesting. Now that one went in a bit easier, so there's obviously a little bit of variation there, but actually that's not bad. So the concept with these is most of your carbide inserts have a label which is on the end, which tells you what they are. So that's a parting insert, that's a parting insert. Now these are cheap Chinese ones which aren't labelled properly, but there we are. So we've got turning inserts, that's a parting insert, yeah, turning, turning, and then again another Chinese unlabelled, and then that's some threading inserts. So that's a nice little tidy for the inserts. Alright, so files for these will be on printables. I will put a link in the description. So I don't feel this is quite a finished design yet, but it's I'm going to live with it and see whether I come up with some ideas. But you know, it could perhaps have some holes on the back for mounting to the wall. Could definitely refine the dovetails a little bit. I hope that's useful to 1 or 2 people out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.